The iRobot Roomba 405 works hard for clean floors, and it only needs a bit of care in return. Let's clean it step by step so it's running like new again in only a few minutes. Start by emptying the dustbin after each cleaning and tapping it gently to remove stuck debris. Clean the main brush, side brush, and brush bearings regularly to clear away hair or threads that may tangle around them. Remove the filter from the bin. Tap it lightly to get rid of dust and replace it when it becomes clogged or worn. Rinse the reusable mop pad under running water after each use to remove dirt and dust, and let it dry completely in a ventilated area before reinstalling to prevent odors or streaks. Wipe the cliff sensors, wall sensors, and bumper sensors with a soft, dry cloth to keep navigation accurate, and check the caster wheel and main wheels to ensure they spin freely without trapped dirt. Wipe the charging contacts of the base station and clean it thoroughly. Open the station cover from the top, then remove the used dust bag, clean the base station's interior, and place a new dust bag and close the cover. And that's it! Your Roomba 405 is now clean, fresh, and ready to get back to work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below. See you in the next one.